Good afternoon, everyone. Gabe Agelan here with MarineMax in Miami. Doing a quick walkthrough of this beautiful 2023 Aviara AV32. Starting back here on the swim platform, you can see that this one is powered by twin Mercury 300 horsepower V8 outboard engines. Excellent power for this boat. A lot of torque on these. And just the maneuverability of an outboard engine, especially here in saltwater environments. Can't think of a better option and a better match for this black on white Aviara 32. Notorious on the Aviaras is these transom bar stool seating. Love what we can do as far as versatility and how many people we can fit back here. It's a great boat for the sandbar. A lot of entertainment, a lot of fun. If you want to catch some sun, this is the place to do it. If you also want to catch some shade, you can pull out this integrated shade that'll come out to the right about back here, give you extended shade for comfort, and so you can enjoy a long day on the water. Follow me as we walk through this entire 32 Aviara. Here on the cockpit, I love the gray cool feel vinyl sea deck. You'll notice a little bit of a different feel on the Aviaras. They do use a cool feel vinyl. Excellent for the summer. Now that we're getting into the heat of things, this will stay nice and cool for you to be able to enjoy despite being in the sun. Here you have a nice wet bar option, a little sink, as well as a little area here to put some ice. Back here as well, a little champagne. You do have a portable cooler that comes out here, so you can get those drinks and snacks ready, keep them cold throughout the day. Take a look at the hardtop. I love that we did the gray on the undergel side of the hardtop. Integrated tower speakers. The sound system on the Aviara is excellent. You do have a table that'll insert right in here, so you can serve the snacks and those drinks. Moving on to the helm. Again, so very minimalistic. I love what they've done. You have an Aviara display here that'll have all your Aviara boat controls as far as your sound, bilges and things like that. All will be managed through here. Then we partnered this up with Simrad, and the screen, GPS, chart plotter, fish finder, things like that will all be in this area here, as well as your designated engine screen, so you can have all your engine data at all times. And then a few little buttons here. Everything is going to be controlled through your main Aviara screen. Obviously, as we said, we've got the twin 300s with joystick. You've got your Lenco trim tap control here, phone chargers. Very nice to have throughout the day, especially when out on the water. I just want to show you, for a 32-foot boat, best in class, in my opinion, as far as a head. Nothing, very deep, long storage. I want to show you. I'm 5'10". I can get in here easily, have plenty of room. So for a 32-footer in this size, that size head is pretty impressive. You've got storage under most of these seats as well. A nice little trash receptacle right here. Wide walk through to the bow. Again, Aviara, great job with a high freeboard. Very deep boat, very safe, dry. You have some stereo controls in here, and then a nice bow area to enjoy the day. And of course, an automatic windlass. This concludes a very quick walkthrough of all the features and benefits, some of the features and benefits on this 32 Aviara. Would love to walk you through the whole thing and show you everything that this boat has to offer. Again, my name is Gabe. Thank you for being with us here today. And if you have any questions, give us a call or come visit us here at MarineMax Miami. Thank you.